Hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can install Canva in Apple chip Mac. So let's start. First you need to open your browser, go to canva.com. Okay, after going to canva.com, you will need to go down and then click on launch the Canva app. This will allow you to download the Canva app for your Mac. So you need to select the Apple chip. Then after it is downloaded, I also did have it. So let me go into my downloads and show it to you. So after it's downloaded, you will need to install it. By installing it, you will need to click on that and then move it into this folder, and you shall hear like some dingy thingy. So after that dingy thingy, yeah, like you can see, if I just like tried to install it again, it said that it already existed. So when you go into the app, your main apps, you can see the Canva there. So then you click on open, and there is it, guys. So finally, I'm just going to sign in by opening a browser, and then continue with the signing in. So let's do that now. Okay, continue with the Google, and then I restrict my Google account, and okay, that's it. Now I am in my Canva account in the desktop app. Thanks for watching.